Hello, my wonderful English learners, and welcome back to Mr. English Talks, the place where we explore ideas, feelings, and the beautiful complexity of life, all while improving our English together. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful, confusing, and magical forces in the human experience, love. We all talk about it, dream about it, and feel it. But what is really happening inside our minds and bodies when we fall in love? Science and psychology have some astonishing answers. So, get ready. Because today we are uncovering 13 shocking, psychological facts about love that will change the way you think about this incredible emotion. Let's begin. Fact number 1. Love and obsession light up the same brain areas. This is perhaps the most shocking start. Brain scans show that the intense, early stage of romantic love that can't eat, can't sleep feeling activates the same neural pathways as obsessive-compulsive disorder. The part of your brain responsible for calm, logical judgment goes quiet, and the reward and craving centers go into overdrive. This is why new love feels so all-consuming. It's not just a feeling. It's a neurological event that temporarily makes you a little bit obsessed. Fact number 2. Your heartbeat synchronizes with your loved ones. When two people who are deeply in love gaze into each other's eyes for several minutes, something incredible happens. Their heart rates and breathing patterns can actually synchronize and match each other. It's as if their bodies are literally becoming in tune. This shows that love is not just an emotion in the mind. It's a full-body, physical connection. Fact number 3. Falling in love has the same effect as a drug, specifically cocaine. When you look at someone you are passionately in love with, your brain releases a powerful cocktail of chemicals: dopamine for pleasure and reward, norepinephrine for excitement and energy, and serotonin, which actually drops, contributing to the obsessive thinking. This combination creates a natural high, a feeling of euphoria that is remarkably similar to the effect of stimulant drugs. Love, in a very real sense, is addictive. Fact number 4. We are attracted to people who smell different. This is rooted in our biology. Our immune system has something called the major histocompatibility complex, MHC. Research suggests we are subconsciously attracted to the natural smell of people whose MHC is different from our own. Why? Because this genetic diversity can lead to stronger, healthier children. So, that feeling of being drawn to someone's natural scent might be millions of years of evolution whispering to you. Fact number 5. Looking into someone's eyes can create love. In a famous psychology study, 2 strangers were asked to stare into each other's eyes for 4 minutes in a dimly lit room. After this simple, intense exercise, many reported strong feelings of attraction and connection, and some even went on to get married. The power of sustained, vulnerable eye contact is profound. It breaks down barriers and creates instant intimacy. Fact number 6. Romantic love eventually turns into attachment love. That crazy, passionate, in love feeling has a biological expiration date, usually between 12 to 18 months. This is because your brain cannot sustain that intense chemical high forever. But this is not the end of love. It's a transformation. The passionate love slowly changes into attachment love, fueled by different chemicals like oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, and vasopressin. This is the deep, secure, comforting bond that allows long-term relationships to thrive. It's not less than passionate love. It's the next, Necessary chapter. Fact number 7. Heartbreak can cause real physical pain. When you go through a painful breakup, the areas of your brain that process physical pain literally light up. This is why we use phrases like a broken heart. The emotional anguish is processed by the same system as physical injury. Your brain isn't just being dramatic. It genuinely interprets social rejection and loss as a threat to your survival. Activating your pain response. Fact number 8. Couples start to look alike over time. Studies have shown that after 25 years of marriage, some couples develop similar facial features. Why? One theory is that we unconsciously mimic our partner's facial expressions over decades. Shared laughter, sadness, concern, and these repeated muscle movements shape our faces in similar ways. Another theory is that we are simply attracted to people who look somewhat like us from the beginning. Fact number 9. The 3-month rule has science behind it. Many people say it takes about 3 months to truly start seeing someone's real personality. Psychology agrees. In the early stages, we are all on our best behavior, a period sometimes called the representative. Around the 90-day mark, comfort sets in, defenses drop, and more authentic habits and traits emerge. This is when many short-term relationships naturally end, and deeper ones truly begin. Fact number 10. Butterflies in your stomach are a stress response. Those fluttering feelings of nervous excitement, they're caused by adrenaline. When you see someone you love or are attracted to, your body's fight or flight system is activated, releasing adrenaline. This causes your heart to race, your palms to sweat, and the muscles in your stomach to tense, creating the sensation of butterflies. Your body is preparing for a significant event, mistaking love for danger in the most wonderful way. Fact number 11. Love literally makes you blind. Not completely, but in a specific way. When looking at photos of a beloved partner, the neural pathways in the brain associated with critical social judgment and negative assessment become significantly less active. You literally see them through rose-colored glasses. Your brain actively suppresses your ability to critically evaluate your partner's flaws. This is nature's way of helping you bond. Fact number 12. You can make yourself fall in love. Building on the eye contact study, psychologist Dr. Arthur Aron created a series of 36 questions designed to create intimacy between strangers. The questions start simple and become increasingly deep and personal, requiring vulnerability and sharing, followed by 4 minutes of silent eye contact. This process has proven to rapidly accelerate feelings of closeness and has even led to marriages. Love, therefore, is not just a mysterious accident. It can be a process built on deliberate vulnerability. Fact number 13. The greatest predictor of long-term love is not passion, but kindness. After decades of research on couples, psychologists John and Julie Gottman found the single most important factor for a lasting, happy relationship is a culture of kindness and generosity. It's in the small, daily moments, turning towards your partner when they make a comment instead of away, expressing appreciation and responding to their bids for attention. Passion fluctuates, but a foundation of mutual respect and kindness is what builds love that endures. So, there we have it. Love is so much more than a simple feeling. It is a biochemical symphony, a neurological dance, a psychological journey. It can make our hearts sink, blind us to flaws, and even reshape our faces. But at its core, the most shocking fact of all might be the simplest. True. Lasting love is built day by day, through conscious choice, through vulnerability, and through kindness. I hope this journey through the psychology of love was fascinating for you. It reminds us that while we are learning English to connect with others, the deepest connections are built on understanding these hidden forces within us all. If you found this exploration of the heart and mind fascinating, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Talks for more lessons that go beyond words. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and tell me in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Remember, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.